Today we have a special episode for you guys. We want to reveal to you this 73 Ford Ranger. Its name is Johnny Rev, and we had the crazy idea last year to tear it apart and put it on a 2008 Ford F-250 chassis, and then ram a 12-valve Cummins in there with compound turbos, that's 2 turbos, and make it roll coal. It's insane. We'll go into detail on it on another video. But this sweetheart needs to be shown off to the world for this wonderful day of Independence Day. And today, we built the ultimate of flagpoles that slides into the back on this, on the B&W hitch in the gooseneck where the ball slides in, to put an 8x5 foot American flag so they can wave and show freedom to all and bring you all to the special place that we call home.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion, I was soaring ever higher.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. To celebrate this Independence Day, we're gonna give a huge discount on all our merch in our store. 50% off, and all you have to do is type in promo code FREEDOM, all caps, while supplies last and until this Sunday at midnight, the 7th. So have a wonderful 4th of July, eat lots of burgers, and enjoy the fireworks.